Hello, Namaste. Welcome to my class of mathematics. Today's topic is division of polynomials part 2, which is for standard 8. Let us start with how to divide a polynomial by binomial. Example number 1. Y square plus 10y plus 24 divided by y plus 4. In this example, first bracket is dividend and second bracket is divisor. Let us take this example in division form. To make this division simple, I take this divisor on right side, put this y plus 4 in bracket. Let us write this in multiplication form and now concentrate on the first term of dividend, which is y square. We need to multiply divisor with such a letter that whose answer must come y square. If we multiply divisor with y, we get answer y square plus 4y. We take y square plus 4y for subtraction and y at the place of quotient. Now change the sign. Y square minus y square 0. 10y minus 4y, we get 6y. Plus 24 will come down. We take divisor again on right side. Put this divisor y plus 4 in bracket in multiplication form and now concentrate on 6y. We need to multiply such a number with divisor so that answer must get 6y. So that number is 6. When we multiply divisor with 6, we get 6y plus 24. We will take 6y plus 24 for subtraction and 6 at the place of quotient. Now change the sign. We get subtraction 0. In final answer, we get quotient y plus 6 and remainder 0. That's all. Now example number 2. 3x minus 3x square minus 12 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube divided by 2 plus x square. Look at the terms of this dividend, which are not in proper sequence. If we see first term, which is 3x, its index is 1. The second term 3x square, index of variable is 2. Third term do not have variable, so index is 0. Fourth term x raised to 4, index of variable is 4. And lastly x cube, index of variable is 3. We need to arrange all these terms in descending order. Now let us take this example in division form. Take divisor on right hand side in multiplication form. Now our expected answer is x raised to 4. Hence we have to multiply divisor with x square. Then we'll get answer x raised to 4 plus 2x square. X square is quotient and x raised to 4 plus 2x square will go for subtraction. Here important thing is we have to take this term exactly below its like terms. Change the sign. Let us do the subtraction. X raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 is 0. X cube we have to take down as it is. Minus 3x square minus 2x square, it becomes minus 5x square. Remaining terms plus 3x minus 12 we have to take down as it is. Take divisor once again in multiplication form. Now our expected answer is x cube. We need to multiply divisor x square plus 2 with x to get our expected answer x cube. Hence x square into x, it becomes x cube plus 2 into x is 2x. X will go at the place of quotient, and these terms x cube plus 2x will go for subtraction. We need to take these terms exactly below its like terms. Change the sign. Let us subtract x cube minus x cube is 0. Minus 5x square, take it down as it is. 3x minus 2x is x. Minus 12 will come down as it is. Take divisor one more time in multiplication form. Our expected answer is minus 5x square. We need to multiply divisor with minus 5 to get our expected answer minus 5x square, and 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Minus 5 will go at the place of quotient, and these terms minus 5x square and minus 10 will go for subtraction. Now change the sign and let us do the subtraction. Minus 5x square plus 5x square, it becomes 0. Take x down as it is. Minus 12 plus 10, it becomes minus 2. Final answer we have quotient is x square plus x minus 5. Remainder is x minus 2.